Hi everyone, back with the Focus today, and right now I'm quickly going to show you how to remove the air intake assembly from a Ford Focus Mk1. This is a super simple job that only takes a few moments, so follow along. You'll want to do this anytime you're working on the rear of your engine, such as cleaning your throttle body like I did in this video. The link is in the description. When changing your master cylinder, like in this video, the link is also in the description below, or any other time you need access to the rear of your engine. You will also want to remove this part if you are replacing it, such as when installing a cold air intake. If you'd like to see a video about that, let me know in the comments below. Okay, let's get started. Here is the only tool you are going to need. A small flat blade screwdriver. Yep, that's it. To start with, use the blade of the screwdriver to help pop off the mass airflow meter connector. Then unhook the breather hose going to the airbox from the rocker cover, and finally undo this retaining clip using your screwdriver. You will now be able to pop the intake hose off your throttle body, and wriggling gently, the whole intake assembly can be lifted away. At this point you have perfect access to your mass airflow meter in case you need to change that. It's also super easy to change your air filter panel by undoing these 4 bolts. As you can see, you now have good access to the gearbox side engine mount and also your distributor, and you can access your throttle body in case you want to clean it or change it. There is a link to that video in the description below as well. Finally, I'll show you how to quickly remove your air intake snorkel in case you want to clean that part or delete it completely if you've installed a cold air intake. To be able to remove this tube, you will first need to remove the battery and battery box, and a link to that video can be found above or in the description below. It's another super easy job, so go ahead and check it out if you need to do that as well. But back to the task at hand. With the battery box removed, simply unscrew these 2 retaining clips found on the front of your air snorkel. You should then be able to pop the air snorkel out of their plastic tabs and lift the whole tubing out. That's it, the whole assembly is out of your car. To reinstall everything is simply the reversal of the removal procedure. Slide the air snorkel back in, reattach the 2 clips, pop the airbox assembly back onto the throttle body and tighten up the clamp using your screwdriver, reattach your breather hose, and finally reconnect your mass airflow sensor. Job done! Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell if you'd like to see more DIY videos from the channel. I already have a wide selection of DIY videos on this Ford Focus, so if you have one of these cars, make sure you check out my other videos and subscribe to the channel to see when I post up something new. And if you don't have a Ford Focus, I'll be working on other cars too at a future stage, so stay notified by clicking the bell. But that's enough chit chat, go ahead and try this on your car if you like.